Hey you guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. I just want to invite you guys in and show y'all some things for Valentine's Day of 2026 and just give you some, show you some product that we have and some ideas that you can do with some different products that we have. So we have some of these big sequined bows here. So we have like 3 different sizes in them. And I have 3 or 4 different colors in them. I have a light pink, a hot pink, a red, and then we've got this silver. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a lot for the younger generation, and these are beautiful for that. But not only the younger generation, but bright, bling, but you also want to do a little bit of elegant things too. These bows are perfect to do something wow factor. You can use them single on a boxwood wreath, or you could put them in a mesh wreath that you're doing. But not only that, you could take these bows and connect them to each other to make a large garland. So if you're doing, you want to make up, you've got a large mirror in your house, or you've got a doorway or an opening, and you want to add these, you could take one color, you could take multiple colors, but you could take one solid color and use all the different sizes and make a long garland, attaching them together. And making a really, really beautiful statement piece. But we have 4 different colors for Valentine's Day. We have the hot pink and the red, and I love the hot pink and red mix. This would be a really, really big statement piece if you attach these together and use them, or you could just use one color and mix all the different sizes together. Just really beautiful. Lots of different creative ideas that you can do with these, but these are our large sequin bows. Y'all let me know in the comments what you would do with these bows. Something else that you can use with the big sequin bows is we have these sequin balls. So if you're doing a big swag, everyone likes something large and in charge. If you're doing a big swag and you could use those sequin bows in it, we have several colors in the sequin ball. This one is the purple one. I believe we do have a gold, a couple of other different colors in this, and it's really, really pretty to mix in with your sequin bows, or if you just want a little bit of a bling, these sequin balls are great to use. They also are styrofoam, so if you wanted to pick them, you wanted to take a stick and pick them to make them in an arrangement or make them a little bit easier to put into something a little different, you could do that as well. We have these jewels, and lavender and purple is really big for spring and for Valentine's Day. We have several different ribbons, and we'll get to the ribbons in just a little bit, but purple is a big thing that's going to be for Valentine's Day, but that's also going to carry over to some of your summer and spring stuff. But we have these jewels. We just have the octagon jewels. We got purple and we have silver. These are really, really pretty to do in a Valentine's piece as well. But if you want to keep it muted, and you want to keep it a little more muted, this flocked baby pink finial, doing a couple of these in a swag would be so pretty, and keeping it very, very muted and the baby tones. But then you could actually pop in some really hot pink, or maybe even some red with the baby pink, to give it a really pretty look too for Valentine's Day. I love this. I love this finial. It looks really classy, and so if you're wanting to do something a little bit more baby toned, these are beautiful that we have available. This is a really nice finial, and it is flocked. I'll be right back. We have all different kinds of balls. Don't keep yourself in a box. We have different sizes and different textures of balls. This one is a glittered ball. It's the purple. We have purple, lavender. We have the tinsel balls. We have lots of white balls, all different sizes. Right here's one that I think is very pretty. It doesn't say Christmas to me. It's got this popping on it. It's got a little bit of white glitter in between each part of it. It is styrofoam, but this is perfect to use for Valentine's Day. So I think Valentine's Day is a good day to transition some of those balls over, and also your picks and sprays as well. So we do have all different sizes of balls. You want to check that out at TMI Gifts. Y'all let me know in the comments if you like to use balls throughout the year in some of your stuff, in like your spring, your Valentine's Day, your Mardi Gras. That's another good time to use something big or something small and use those balls and make something wow factor too. So here's another ball that we have that is this tinsel ball. It's red. It's got these little red balls on it. Y'all, this says Valentine's Day. This kind of screams Valentine's Day to me. We do have these. I love this ball. This is going to make you a good statement inside a piece. On this particular bow, I've done purple, red, pink, baby pinks, golds, all the colors. But that red, it just pulls out. It's a really, really good piece to use. Okay, Valentine's Day, the young kids. To me, the candy pieces is the time that you want to do that. So if you don't use candy things in the Candyland theme at Christmas time, but you love it, because if you love Christmas and you love decorating and you love crafting, you love all the seasons, you love all the things. You like the pastels and the candy stuff, and you also love the traditional stuff. And so if you don't use any pastels and candy stuff during Christmas time, you definitely want to do that at Valentine's Day. So we have these wonderful lollipops. Now, this is where you want to get creative and like do arrangements, like fill you a jar up with candy, put you some lollipops in it, make a beautiful arrangement. I have seen everybody do all kinds of different things with these. These also are great for a swag. We have the ones that has the sprinkles on it in the purple and the pink. And then we also have the solid colors like the purple, the hot pink, and we have a couple of different sizes in these. Grab you some lollipops. Decorate for Valentine's Day with those. Super, super great way to decorate. I love, love, love these lollipops. They're very inexpensive and they make a great statement, a big statement. We have a ton of product coming in for 2026. We have a shipment here now of signs, but we do have some really cute signs. I want to show you something that I want you to think outside the box a little bit. The cherries for Valentine's Day. I love this. You could use this in the summertime, like right at 4th of July. The cherries to me says 4th of July as well, but I think this is a good Valentine piece with the lace on it. So ribbons with lace on them, the cherries. I love the cherries for Valentine's Day. We have this sign. This would be so cute in a wreath for Valentine's Day. And a lot of those wreath makers that make those attachments, they make these cherries as hearts too, and they're perfect to use at Valentine's Day. One of those little wreath attachments with this sign would be so cute. Big pieces. We like big pieces. Here's a little bitty sign. It's the metal embossed top sign that says Happy Valentine's Day. You're just going to cut this jute piece off and wire that into your wreath. This would be pretty with those lollipops, or even some of our hearts. I'm going to show you some hearts that we have, the flocked hearts, the bigger hearts that you could put in with this. But the Happy Valentine's Day with the red and pink, I love that. It's got the white on it. Y'all comment below and let me know if you like to do florals for Valentine's Day in wreaths and swags, or do you like to use signs and florals, or do you just like to use like fun things? This really large sign, I love it. You could put this in a swag, but this is a good piece to put on if you're not into that and you want to make a big statement, like maybe just in an area. You want to do a big bow, hang this. You're wanting to decorate really pretty, or you could put it on an easel and just use it in your house. I love this sign. It's got the hearts in it. It looks like the little globe or the bubblegum machine. Love this. And it's got all of the conversation hearts in it too. Now, this foam piece, I love this. Love, love, love this piece. It's the 3 different colors. You can put a stick on this, put this out in your pot outside, and makes a statement. This is what you need for making a statement outside your home. You want to make, you want to do something that's really big and stands out. This is what you need to do. This is an inexpensive way. You put a yardstick on it, a dowel rod, something like that. Put it down in your pot out by your doors or out by your columns on your porch area. Love, love, love this piece. Or you could do it like this and just set it down in there and do your big bow at the bottom of it. Pretty. Big statement piece. Large statement piece. Love these. Okay, let me tell you about some other products that we have for Valentine's Day. Picks and sprays. Don't limit yourself to just thinking about, oh, I've got to use a heart or these little cute things. Love these. We have these available at TMI, but don't just think that you have to use some of these. Mix in some of your sprays and your picks and things that you had from Christmas. Here is a beautiful piece that we use at Christmas that is a sequin curly pick. Beautiful piece. Use that. Get that out. Use that in with your Valentine things. Silver. This peacock spray. Use some silver and some gold in with your Valentines. Gold's a big thing to do at Valentine's Day. The silver is. And then also your whites and your hot pinks. This is a hot pink sequin spray that we had at Christmas, along with the white spray. Making this come out of your swag. Beautiful. Don't limit yourself. Think outside. Think Christmas. What did you have at Christmas? Love this piece. This is an iridescent piece. That's a sequin piece. A lot of this stuff is being used at Christmas time, but it's also great for Valentine's Day. This is a perfect Valentine's piece. Love this piece. So this is a beautiful piece that is used at, we used it at Christmas. This big fern piece that has the silver down it. Beautiful, beautiful. Take that, cut that apart, use that in a Valentine's piece. Would be so pretty. Something large, you want to use that. It's so pretty. Okay, love these sequin pieces here. I think sequins are going to be big for Valentine's Day. We've already sold a lot of this, but for 2026, your sequins, one of those sequin bows with one of these. We do have this in a little larger size, but we have this in the red and the pink. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. It shines. It says Valentine's Day. Look at it with the iridescent sequiny. So pretty. Mixing this in. These are beautiful. Love these for Valentine's Day. Okay, let's talk ribbon. Love ribbon. Lots of different things that you can do for Valentine's Day. You just got to get yourself in the thought of it. Designers out there, we've got you covered. Tons of ribbon coming in. But look at the jelly bean ribbon. If you're not using the jelly bean ribbon for Valentine's Day and working something around it, lollipops, things like that. So we have the jelly beans and we have the lollipops. So this one has the pink, the mint green, and the purple on it. But the jelly beans have all the different colors on it. Perfect, fun, funky way to do. You want to wrap some gifts. These are great too. But use this. Y'all show us what you've designed with jelly beans or lollipops. Okay. The bows, we have them in red and we have them in pink. This is the red. We have the 1.5 inch and the 2.5 inch. Super cute. Good Valentine ribbon. 4 inch is always big, so we have several 4 inch here. The 4 inch velvet, hot pink. This 4 inch silver. It's like this mesh in it. Great one that was used at Christmas. Everybody loved it in the colors, but the silver in it is really pretty. We have this 4 inch pink with the red hearts on it. Love that. We have the lips with the hearts on it. It has the red glittered back. This is a 2.5 inch fused. Then this one right here is a white that has the hearts on, roses on it. This is a great ribbon that we've used at Valentine's Day. This carries over to weddings, things like that. But the roses on it, beautiful. And then, of course, the lavender and the purple with the hot pink, the red, the gold. So pretty. And then you have your classic hot pink jeweled ribbon here with the gold on it. Let me take this out and show you what this looks like. This is a designer ribbon. It's a good way to do it. Just pop off the side. This is a beautiful designer ribbon that we have. It is a 1 inch, I believe, not a 7/8. It's a 1 inch hot pink with these jewels on it. It is a beautiful ribbon. So if you're doing something really bougie, this is the ribbon to use. This is the ribbon to go for, to do something really elegant and pretty with for Valentine's Day. This is so pretty. Thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you've seen some things here that you love and that you actually want to use. This is tmigifts.com. Y'all shop all of it. Y'all join me for the next video to see what I'm going to show you.